This LED is damaged. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this 15 watt LED lamp not turning on. Let's see what's wrong here. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because we will deal with live voltage. Take care for the safety. No indication. DC voltage 335 volt. This LED is damaged. I will mark this one. If one LED is damaged, we will bypass it. If LED driver is good, that time it will automatically maintain the voltage, because it is current controlled item. This tempered LED will not make any problem. Let's check it. Yes, great. Now it will work. If you enjoyed this idea, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.